Please subscribe YouTube channel TTS 2.0.
चिकन मंचूरियन रेसिपी। मिस्टर शेफ MD आलम राजा खान चिकन मंचूरियन बनाने के लिए आपको ये स्टेप्स फॉलो करने होंगे। इंग्रेडिएंट्स: 250 grams boneless chicken cut into small pieces, 1/2 cup maida all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons corn flour, salt and black pepper to taste, oil for frying. For the Manchurian sauce, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 capsicum finely chopped, 2 to 3 cloves garlic minced, 1 inch piece of ginger minced, 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped, adjust to your spice preference, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce, adjust to your spice preference, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, salt to taste, 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon corn flour mixed with 2 tablespoons water to make a slurry. Instructions: mix maida, corn flour, salt, and black pepper in a bowl. Add chicken pieces and coat them well with this mixture. Heat oil in a pan for frying. Once the oil is hot, deep fry the chicken pieces until they are golden brown and crispy. Remove and drain excess oil on a paper towel. In a separate pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add minced garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Saute for a minute. Add chopped onions and capsicum. Cook until they turn slightly soft but still have a crunch. Add soy sauce, vinegar, tomato ketchup, red chili sauce, sugar, and salt. Mix well. Pour in 1 cup of water and let it come to a boil. Stir the corn flour slurry once more and then slowly add it to the boiling sauce while stirring continuously. This will thicken the sauce. Once the sauce thickens, add the fried chicken pieces and toss them in the sauce, coating them evenly. Garnish with chopped spring onions and serve hot. ये आपका चिकन मंचूरियन तैयार है। Enjoy your meal. Thanks for you. Please subscribe YouTube channel TTS 2.0. Please like and share.